Come on, Earl. It is hot and I am ready to get wet.
Relax in style at the breathtaking infinity pool at the address Skyview. Welcome to Brundage World, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Brundage World. We are literally traveling the world, and our first stop is Dubai. Comment down below and tell us where you want us to go next, and we'll see what we can do. How about that? We are at the sky deck at the infinity pool, and as you can see behind us, there is Burj Khalifa.
And the water is freezing.
It is cold, but once you jump right on in, it's not that bad. It's not bad at all. You can see I am pointing at the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. It is also adjacent to the Dubai Mall, which is the world's largest mall. This view is simply breathtaking. This is how you celebrate 10 years of marital bliss.
We are swimming on the edge. Literally.
I could stay here all day.
Until it's time to eat.
Until it's time to eat, but we have other things. So can't stay here too long. Let me just get a nice swim before we go.
Exercise. The infinity pool is located at the address Skyview Hotel and is located on the 54th floor, known as the Sky Deck. This amenity comes with a large sun lounging deck, private cabanas, and a bar with both pool and dry deck seating. I can't get enough of that view. Slow down. Girl, let me love you.
Slow motion for me, moving slow motion for me.
The heart symbolizes how much I love Dubai.
The architecturally impressive hotel by Amar Hospitality Group is made up of two 60-level towers connected by a floating sky bridge. The infinity pool you see me swimming in is located on the same sky bridge, located in the heart of downtown Dubai. And in case you were wondering, this infinity pool is 70 meters long. That's approximately 230 feet. The infinity pool is owned and operated by the restaurant C'est La Vie. Please check out our previous vlog for an in-depth review of the entire restaurant.
Before we leave, we must put our swimming skills to the test.
Alright, so we are leaving to go get some lunch and then head over to Burj Khalifa.
Our next vlog will showcase the Burj Khalifa in all of its tall glory.
Make sure you stay tuned because we will come back to the pool after we leave the Burj Khalifa to give you a night view of the infinity pool.
We just returned from the Burj Khalifa and decided to take a dip at the infinity pool at night.
Woo!
Yeah. Yeah. And that's how you get your freezing cold water in Dubai, ladies and gentlemen. See the heated pool. It's freezing in there. Oh my goodness. Check out the view, ladies and gentlemen, at nighttime. Oh, okay. Lele went inside the pool with her swimsuit covered on, and the lifeguard quickly let her know, you have to take that off when you get inside the pool. So as you can see, she's walking away, taking off her swimsuit cover. Yeah, Brundage World. Hi, baby. We came to Dubai. Let's try that again with Lele in the frame. Hi, baby. We came to Dubai.
Now you all get to see the night view. We showed you the day view.
Yeah.
It's starting to light up now. Oh yeah, baby.
Early Lele flew from Miami to Dubai and our lights got flipped, turned upside down.
That reminded us of the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Check out this same view from underwater. It looks so cool. Check it out. Ooh, yes, I love it. Alright, let me bring the camera back up so you can admire the view.
This is life, ladies and gentlemen. This is life. Oh, that's the spot right there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have one more surprise for tonight. We got to get out of this water and go to our last surprise event for the evening. You never know what you're going to see in Dubai. The Dubai fountain was letting off fireworks out of nowhere. I didn't have my drone to capture this, but I was able to get the infinity pool. Here you can see the two towers and the sky bridge from below. Well, that escalated quickly. Here is C'est La Vie, the infinity pool, in all of its glory. If you're wondering why no one is in the pool, it's because it closes at 7 p.m. However, the nightlife is just getting started. If this is your first time visiting Brundage World, welcome and thank you for watching this video. If you are returning, we appreciate you rocking with us. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when our very next video shows up.